small ones. Is this a square?
That's a square.
Okay.
You are really good at figuring that out.
It's a boy. You're on the same side. Oh man, I snapped my finger.
It's okay, you can do it again.
Okay, Mommy.
Yep.
Mommy, you do the red. You do the red. And I do the blue, okay?
Okay.
So push it.
Oh, you did it.
Oh!
Yeah, maybe if we do it on top. Put it where you want it first.
This is going to be the funnest side. Okay, now I can tell you all about my house.
Tell me about it.
About my camper. So, Mom,
Yes.
Daddy, do you want to see my camper? Look it. Okay.
That is so cool. That is really cool, Matthias.
That's really big.
It almost looks like a church.
No, it isn't a church.
Tell me about it.